That's Cora.
Yep. That's it, Mommy.
That's Cora.
Yep.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, she's giving love. Hi, Cora.
You got poo on me.
She's got cow pooper on her. Oh, it's all right. She'll get a bath, and so will you. It'll be okay. There's Cora and Luna.
Yep.
They're playing.
Is that?
Cora! Hey, Bruno. There's Bruno. Where'd the rest of them go?
Over there.
Girls, go back and get the rest of the puppies to come down here.
I didn't.
You're going to help? Okay. Come on! Where are you going? You can't go to the creek now. You got to wait. Come here. Come here. Cora, Luna, come on. There's Tonti. You checking out these pups? Where's yours? Where's your puppies? Let's see. Oh, there's some. Yeah?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, Luna's got one of the puppies down.
Hey, Mom.
There's more.
I got